Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Social. If you want to boost your Instagram engagement, using trending audio is a game changer. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find trending sounds on Instagram, fast and easy. Before we dive in, hit that like button and subscribe for more Instagram tips. Now, let's get started. Method 1. Using the Instagram Reels Explore page. The easiest way to find trending audio is right inside Instagram. Here's how. 1. Open Instagram and go to the Reels tab, the play button at the bottom. 2. Scroll through Reels and look for an upward arrow next to the audio name. That means it's trending. 3. Tap on the audio name to see how many people have used it. 4. If you like the sound, tap Use Audio or Save Audio to use it later. Pro tip: check how many Reels are using the sound. Under 10K uses means it's still fresh. Method 2. Instagram Audio Library. Another great way to find trending audio is through the Instagram Audio Library. 1. Go to your Instagram story or Reel editor. 2. Tap the music note to open the audio library. 3. Check out the trending section to see what's hot right now. Bonus: Instagram sometimes recommends trending sounds based on your past activity. Method 3. Following trend pages and creators. Want to stay ahead of trends? Follow these steps. 1. Follow Instagram trend pages like @creator, @reelstrends, and @latermedia. 2. Join TikTok and Instagram trend groups on Facebook and Reddit to discover new audios before they blow up. Pro tip: check trending TikTok sounds. They often go viral on Instagram a few days later. And that's it. Now you know how to find and use trending audio on Instagram. Which method do you use the most? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for more Instagram hacks. See you in the next one.